How you doing?
Dude! We're doing the Vincent cat scene, right? I thought that was what we were doing.
Vincent, is that you? Parkour up here and come see me.
Catherine! Catherine!
Ow! Jeez!
Sorry, I thought you were hiding.
All right, get up. Vincent, settle! Vincent, what are you doing here?
Catherine, I wanted to come see you because I couldn't sleep away from you.
Wow.
We can't do this.
No, don't say that, Vincent. I love you.
Touch my face.
Okay. Vincent, Merrifield is after us. Just go, just run away.
Catherine, I know, but I have to see this out with my ex-fiance, Alex.
What?
I want the life I want and away from you. I'm just trying to protect you.
Fine, then just get out of here. Kick rocks. Beat it.
Fine. You want me to parkour off this? I'll parkour off this.
Let's do one final parkour.